Okay, Mark, here is the donor woofer for your 15. This was a little deeper, and we'll use a different suspension on the one for you. But I wanted you to bear witness and kind of feel my pain in doing this. This is a perfectly good woofer. Perfectly good, not blown. So, I hate doing this, but to change it over, you have to. Because I don't like doing this, I want to make you watch while I do the honors, unfortunately, of tearing this thing down. See, look at that. Nice, pretty coil. Totally fine. But, had to be sacrificed. So, what I'll do is, I will take the basket off the motor and outfit it with the 12 spoke frame, which is shallower. And then, we will use, we'll use that spider, which is more compliant, and that Obsidian V1/V2 surround. The one that came off of it. It's kind of hard to see, but oh, yeah, that's the original. The one shaking right now. The one that came off of it's right there. So this one's a little bit narrower and taller, but this one actually has a better compliance curve to it. So, aka better sounding bass. So anyway, just wanted you to bear witness to that destruction of a perfectly good woofer to make this right here into your new woofer.